How to chroma key in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I am back here again with a quick and easy tutorial on how you can use chroma key in CapCut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your CapCut application and tap on New Project. Now select the video and tap on Add. Once you are on this timeline, click on Overlay option. Again, click on Add Overlay and select the video which you want as overlay. For example, I will use this green screen animation as the overlay. Now adjust the overlays frame at your choice, but for instance, I will choose the overlay for the full frame. After that, search for the Remove PG option in the toolbar. Once you find it, click on it. Again, here you will see 3 different options, from which click on Chroma Key option. Now it has a small color picker from which you have to move it and select the color you want to remove. For example, I will select the green color. After that, tap on Intensity and slide the slider until it disappears. Again, tap on Shadow and now slide it to the 100. Once we are okay, click on checkmark option, and that's it. In this easy and simple way, you can use chroma key in CapCut. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.